Bentakas ngi Myntri Rangbah ka jela ukonrat ke sangma ulahir Nongstoin ban jingiarap yaki nongrep jong ka thany ha ka jingelang malapanlong Hasin Peters Hall pendengre ya ka te jingeram lasam da ki check sha ki self help group ke balapanlong da ki nongrep ka jingeram ka balaai kala long mar san hajar tengka we u nongrep ha ka ni kesngi ya ka jingelang lapanya da uba PD sangma Deputy Commissioner ka West Khas Hills District.
Our Deputy Commissioner, Shri P.D. Sangma, our SP of West Khas Hills District, Mawphor, all the other officials of the MBNA and the Basin and Deputy Commissioner's Office, and most importantly, the different producer groups who are present out here. I will not take much time because we have many programs after this program also. I have just come straight from Delhi after finishing a number of meetings yesterday. And in the last 1 week, I have been visiting different regions of the state, Jente Hills, Garo Hills, and today West Khasi Hills, to continue the distribution of checks for the focus program. So I would, at the very outset, would like to thank all our officials who have made this possible, program possible today, and thank our parish priest for giving us a space to have this very, very meaningful program. I just want to take 5 minutes to explain about focus. When the pandemic hit us, our farmers, our public, and the entire population of the world faced a lot of economic hardship. The government of India, the government of Meghalaya tried to help as much as possible to different sections of society. But in the process, the MDA government felt very strongly that we must find a way to help our farmers. So therefore, we came out with this program called Focus. And a very important part of the Focus program is the financial assistance that we will give to each and every 4.5 lakh farmer families in the state.